here we go. Antalya tour it is today, and a boat trip. Alightstar on tour number 3. Just got here to Düden Wonderland. Just first stop on the tour here. Be a waterfall or something. Close to Antalya airport here. Look at that, you ain't getting in there, mate. Oh, you look at that. Good God. Boss has done some travelling, he has. Mistake, he's ruined his car, he has. He's from the old town, is he? Looks like the top of the waterfall here. As you can see, we're right on the coastline. It's called the Lower Düden, which is the name of the river here. He's talking about how Antalya is built on a 40-metre cliff. That's why water's coming all the way down from here, from the top. To be visiting Upper Düden. This is Lower Düden here. With a bit of rainfall we've had here, as you can see. It's coming at quite some pace. You don't want to be getting in that, mate. It will wipe you out. Mediterranean Sea here. Taking a look at Antalya's coast. And that is incredible. And that's quite a way down. Beautiful, mate. She's a woman that was politically active on the times of Hadrian the Emperor. It's explaining here. Most influential woman known in Antalya. Beautiful little rabbit here, just chewing on a bit of grass and that. A bit there. The River Duden being swooshing. Crazy. We just arrived at Upper Düden here now. This is the way down. Spirally down. Looks quite a confined steps to the. Oh yeah, look at that. Just carved out your rock there. Incredible. You can see here, right into the coast. Can't wait to see the waterfall now. Just halfway down the waterfall here. Absolutely beautiful. Little viewpoint there. Here you have it. Upper Düden Waterfall. Absolutely beautiful, mate. That is stunning. It's a waterfall then, mate. Nice, that, isn't it? Eh? A nice straight day out on the tour already. Visited obviously both of the waterfalls there. Old Town Antalya next. Can't wait for that Hadrian's Gate there. That's something that I've been very excited to see. Really appreciate the true beauty of this place. Stunning, mate. Got your little ducks and swans and things. He's having a good clean out here. That's like a, well, like a turkey duck or something. Go on, boy. We'll have your photo taken there with a parrot. It's 300 lira. Obviously, I'm not going to film that. Don't want to put them out of a job, do I? It is incredible. Look at that, even your trees shaking there, look. Amazing. Man said his baby. Yeah, look. Hello. Hello, my mate. Doo-doo. Hello, mate. Oh, he's coming, look. Hello. Come here, kitty. Hey up, bud. Hello. Whee.
It's a baby.
Kitten. Well, nice preservation of nature there. Like a few pigeons and a few swans. As always, some of your local shops here. Look at that. And then we move on now to the, is it Old Town? Old Town Antalya.